I'm Will Dodson. I am going to talk to you about University Youth Camp that our youth went on this summer. This year was my 6th year going to university, as well as my last year as a camper. However, I got a little more than the average university gets to do. I got to do a little more than the average university camper gets to do. I was the sound guy. This meant I was up at 6 in the morning, walking to breakfast with Booty Cawthron and Peyton Mills. And 30 minutes later, I was in the sanctuary getting it ready for morning celebration in about an hour. In the course of that hour, many questions would be asked and answered, mics would be passed out, and sound checks would be conducted. After morning celebration, we gathered the mics, shut everything down, or prepared for worship service that night. For the rest of the day, though, I was a camper. I participated in seminars and electives, which are always awesome. And most of my free time was spent relaxing and preparing for the marathon we would have to walk just to get around campus due to all the construction projects. But as soon as 5 o'clock rolled around, it was back in the cafeteria for an early dinner. It was then back to the auditorium to prepare for worship, which was very similar to morning celebration. My day ended at about 1:30 a.m. after helping with room checks and getting ready for bed. This is not my usual schedule. I became more and more tired and a little bit grumpy as the week progressed. After saying all this, I will tell you that I loved every bit of it. Not once did I think that I made the wrong choice about taking on the position. I loved being able to do something I'm good at in a way that gave back to a place that has been an influential part in my youth group life. In fact, I have already been asked to go back next year as a university staff member, and I have accepted the position. From behind the soundboard at the back of the auditorium, I could see pretty much everybody. Every time we gathered, I saw the sense of family and community grow, and I'd never seen it from that perspective before. Everybody was dancing and singing together, and I feel that with every university, that family and community element grows even more. One of the Bible verses used during the week was the one that Annie just read, Matthew 25:34-40. While at university, I saw people from around the Southeast come together to create one big family. We broke bread together, we worshiped together, some cried together, and most laughed together. Everything we did together as a family. Our offering from the week was closely related to the scripture also. The charity we raised money for was called Feeding America. The charity uses the money to provide food for households who don't have enough. Everyone worked together to surpass our $3,500 goal by about $200. Overall, university has taught me a lot over the past 6 years. Some of these being learning how to make new friends, worship God in other ways, and overall have fun. I am thankful that I had such a wonderful opportunity to meet new people and learn about God in a setting like university.